Hello students, welcome back to our EVS class. This is the first part of the 12th chapter, Our Neighborhood. In this session, we are going to discuss about our neighborhood and biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. First of all, let us discuss about our neighborhood. All of us live in a neighborhood. It consists of different types of houses, roads for traveling, markets for our different needs, a proper drainage system, parks, schools, and other amenities. The people living with us in our neighborhood are our neighbors, and together we form a community. So children, what is community? The people living with us in our neighborhood are our neighbors, and together we form a community. We should keep our neighborhood clean and green always. Look at the picture. The garbage from the nearby houses has been dumped here. Stray animals like dogs, pigs, and cows come here in search of something to eat. Throwing garbage in the open attracts flies and other insects. They spread diseases in human beings and other animals. Next, let us discuss about garbage management. The municipal authorities ensure the cleanliness of a neighborhood. We should help them by arranging for proper disposal of waste products. Segregation of garbage. Wet and dry garbage should be separately put in the different bins. Green bin for biodegradable garbage and blue bin for non-biodegradable garbage. Let us see the picture. So children, this green bin for biodegradable waste and blue bin for non-biodegradable waste. We should make an attempt to reduce the quantity of waste products by reusing the things that we are planning to throw away. Children, do you know what is this reduce and reusing? How can we reduce waste? Think before you buy. If you're sure that you need it, only then you buy it. Use all of what you buy. Do not waste anything. Avoid buying things that use excessive packaging. Buy in bulk as it reduces the packaging material. Buy things that are durable, last longer, and you do not have to buy new things again and again. Then how can we reuse the things? When things break, try to fix them. Throw them only when you are sure that are not repairable. Wash and reuse plastic bottles, cups, utensils, and bags. Buy things that have been made of recycled materials. Always take your cloth bag when you go for shopping. Do not take polythene bags from the shopkeeper. Your cloth bag can be used again and again. Old boxes and cans can be used for storage. Old newspapers can be used to produce recycled paper. Recycling is the best method for reducing the quantity of waste products. Usage of plastic products should be minimized as these are non-biodegradable. Biscuit wrappers, glass, plastics, etc. do not rot. The things that do not rot or take years to rot are called non-biodegradable waste. These wastes add to the burden of garbage and make our environment dirty and unhealthy. So children, what are non-biodegradable waste? A substance that does not change into another natural state when it decomposes and harms the environment. These are called non-biodegradable waste. What is non-biodegradable waste? A substance that does not change into another natural state when it decomposes and harms the environment are called non-biodegradable waste. Eco-friendly products are biodegradable. We should try to use biodegradable goods to keep our neighborhood clean and green. Vegetable peels, fruit peels, breadcrumbs, etc. start rotting in a few days. The things that rot easily are called biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste is also called wet waste. It rots and changes into compost manure. The compost manure is good for the plant. So children, what are biodegradable waste then? A substance that changes into another natural state when it decomposes and does not harm the environment are called biodegradable waste. What are biodegradable waste? A substance that changes into another natural state when it decomposes and does not harm the environment are called biodegradable waste. So children, rest of the topics we will discuss in the next module. Thank you. Have a nice day.